Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to discuss about paid promotion and altered content. So when you upload your video you can see this option, and we already talked about this in our video. Now I'm going to discuss about paid promotion and altered content. So this is new update in YouTube, the altered content. So first I'm talking about the paid promotion. So paid promotion is actually when you use sponsored video or images or anything you use in your video separately, then you need to select this box. My video contains paid promotion like product placement, sponsorship or endorsement. You can see the many big YouTubers video, they use many sponsored video. When they talk about their sponsor, then they select this option. You see many big YouTuber, they talk about their sponsor. So if you have a sponsor in your video, then you can select this one, paid promotion. My video contains paid promotion like product placement and sponsorship or endorsement. So if you have a sponsor in your video, then select this one. So in my video I don't have any sponsor, so that's why I did not select this one. Now we talk about the altered content. So altered content, if you change something in your video, or you can use AI, then you need to select this one. If I describe you briefly, altered content refers to material that has been modified from its original state using editing tools. This can apply various media formats. So various media formats, it can apply images, videos and audio. Photos have been edited to change appearance of people or place. For video, footage that has been manipulated to alter events or create scenes that never happen. So you can see this. This is actually indicate AI. If you create some video images in your video and you use it in your content, then you need to select alter content. So I don't have any altered content in my video, that's why I select no. If you have, you can select yes. So guys, I hope you understand this concept, paid promotion and altered content. So what are you waiting for? Let's subscribe this channel for more video.